What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with another review. This time we are looking at some must-have accessories for the DJI Osmo Pocket. Let's check it out. So we all know that DJI's Osmo Pocket is one of the most fun little devices that you can have. It's a 3-axis camera that basically does it all. It does action, it does still photos, it does 4K, it does hyperlapse, slow motion. It does tons of things, guys, with pictures and with video. But what good is this camera if you don't have the right accessories? So that's where the company Kiwi comes in at. Kiwi has actually put together this nice accessory package that you can go and check out. I'll leave a link below so you can do that. But these accessories range from things you'll use on vacation to things you'll use in a still setting to things that you can use on the go while hiking and even while in your car. So let's check out some of these pieces. Now, before we get started, the most important piece in this whole thing is this holder. This holder is what is going to fit around your DJI Osmo Pocket. So it slides around and every other piece is going to connect with this and one of these bolts. So this is going to be your main piece. So if you lose this piece, you're going to be out of luck. But let's check out how some of this stuff actually works. First off, we got the selfie stick. Now, ladies, I know you love your selfie sticks. This is a great one that you have right here. It tightens up on the bottom. It locks right here so you can lock your positioning, and it stretches out to about 3 feet. Now, remember, this one piece is going to be the key. This piece as well. So you're just going to screw that on. Selfie stick is stable. This goes into here, and if you need be, you can tighten up with this little wrench that comes with it. Never use that. Sometimes it can come in handy, especially when using the mount for the bike. I would absolutely use that just to make sure that it doesn't fall off. But there you go. You got Osmo Pocket on a selfie stick. You can get those nice dramatic shots with this and basically get some of those cinematic stills that you like. Next, we have this tripod. Now, the tripod is dope because, guys, it is not only just a tripod, but if you want to get a little technical, if you're outside and you see a piece of wood, a tree limb you want to hang this on, it bends. So it's adjustable. So you got a nice adjustable tripod right here. This holder right here is going to be your best friend. You're going to do the same thing you did with the selfie stick. This piece screws on top. This clamps on, boom, you got an instant tripod. Next, we're using this same 2-piece setup, guys. That same 2-piece setup is going to stick right here. Now, this is a car mount. You're going to put this in your window. This arm is nice and flexible, and you can tighten it up, and you can tighten it up here. So 2 places to tighten it, right there on the arm. It's not going to move, and you can tighten it here so it doesn't swivel as much. Has a nice sticky suction cup right here. You're just gonna let that up, boom, stick it in, hang this up in your car. You got an instant mobile camera that's ready to go wherever you need to go. Next, you have a rack for your bike or a holder for your bike. You're just gonna unscrew these on each side. Should have probably already had this done. And you attach using that same setup. You do not need this piece this time because you actually have one right here. Same setup. You're just going to pop this in, put a bolt on it, and you're ready to ride. Next up, using this setup right here, this is a clip. So this clip is going to hook onto your backpack, hook onto your clothing, different things that you need if you want to stabilize it. It actually moves, it swivels, has a nice pull to it. It's not light, so you're gonna have to put some muscle into that when you're moving it. That way, when your Osmo Pocket is sitting on there, it will not drop off, it will not fall. So nice little clip, just like a chip clip, but We call this the Osmo Clip. You put this on, put your Osmo on it, you're good to go. And it's gonna just screw right onto the top of any tripod, and you have your Wi-Fi mount. Put your Osmo Pocket in there, and you're good to go. And this will allow you to put your phone in here, holding this, putting it on a tripod, so that you can have your Osmo Pocket here, your phone here, mount it on a tripod, and you can leave this and actually be able to visualize your phone screen as your iPod either tracks you, tracks movement, or even watches you just do different things in the great outdoors. Over here, you have an extender cable for your lightning adapter. Now, I normally use mine with an Android device, so I have no use for this lightning adapter extender, but it's gonna give you more room, and you can even transfer data using this cable itself. So there you have it, guys. As I mentioned, the company Kiwi, they make this nice little set. They actually have a nice little pouch that you can put everything in as well. I want you to go check them out. This has really come in handy, especially when I'm outside doing different things. I can set this up. I can let it record while I'm doing things with the kids, or maybe even on vacation. But this is a great little setup to have for your Osmo Pocket. So hope this is able to help someone out. Guys, I'll be sure to leave a link below so you can go and check these out for yourself. But until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Ever check out. Peace.